Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can install the Anti Adblock script on your Blogger website. So whenever someone uses ad blocker on their browser, it will show a warning like this to disable the ad blocker. So if the user disable the ad blocker and refresh this page, it will reveal the actual content. So in this way you can force the user to disable the ad blocker on your website. So when someone uses ad blocker on their browser, the ad will not load in that page. So you will eventually lose the ad impression and ad click from your website. So you can counter this by using the anti adblock script on your Blogger website. So let's check how you can implement this on your Blogger website. So for this you have to go to the Blogger dashboard and click on theme section. Now here click on edit HTML. Now you have to scroll down to the bottom and search for closing body tag, and then you have to go to this website and you have to copy the JavaScript code. So just copy the whole code from here and paste it just above the body tag. So as you can see, I have already added the JavaScript code. So this is a Filtro Pro theme, so we don't need to add the CSS code. But if you are using any other theme, so let me just switch any other theme and let me just view this block. So this is another theme, and let me just click on blog post, and as you can see, the ad blocker is activated in this page. So let's check how you can implement this anti ad block script in this website. So for this I will click on edit HTML and I will scroll down to the bottom and I will paste that JavaScript code above the closing body tag. Now I will go to this website and copy the CSS code. So just copy the CSS code and let me just paste it above it. Now let me just click on save changes. Now let's go to the website and let me just refresh this page. So the code will not work in this case because the ID of the blog post is different. So for this I will click on inspect element and I will select the whole post body. So I will click on here, and as you can see, this is the div class of whole post body and I have to copy this ID. So just copy this ID and I will go to the edit template and I will scroll down to the bottom and I will replace the ID here. So just search for get element by ID. So I will replace the ID here. So if you are using any other theme, then you have to inspect the ID of your blog post and replace the ID here. Now let me just click on save. Now let me just click on refresh. And as you can see, now the ad blocker script is working. So you have to install the post ID in that script, otherwise the code will not work. So in that case you can easily identify the ID by just clicking on the inspect element, and then you have to click on this whole div class where it will contain the whole blog post. So just copy the ID. So here in this case this is post body, and if we change this theme, let me just refresh this page and let me just click on inspect element, and here the ID is post dash body. So you have to change the ID in the code. So let me just go to the edit template, and here it is. You have to change the ID here. After that it will work. And if you are using Filtro Pro or Median UI theme, then you don't need to add the CSS code. So it will already be present in this theme. But if you are using any other theme, then you can add the CSS code for styling. And if I remove the CSS code, it will looks like this. So let me just scroll down and let me just remove these styles and let me just save this. Now let me just refresh this page. Let me just block the page again and let's refresh this. and as you can see there is no styling added. So if you are using any other theme, then you have to add the style tag to properly apply the styling of this error page. I hope you got the idea how to install the Anti Adblock script on your Blogger website. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this content, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.